This is day 4 of me becoming an Unreal Engine developer, and today I completed this Udemy course in which I am creating a game. I completed it around 53%. So I learned a lot about the different kind of nodes like delay node, sequence, flip flop, and custom event. All these things with examples. So I practiced them a bit, as you can see in the video. Other than that, I also learned how blueprints communicate with each other in different ways, like casting or interfaces or even dispatchers, all these things. So this course should be done by tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So I am very excited. So by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I should have a game ready. So my initial step should be done. Also, my speed is getting better as I'm trying to complete this. Initially, on first day, I just touched the videos and I left it. And this is the fourth day. So my speed of doing it, my productivity is also getting better slowly. I'm trying to force myself to do this as fast as possible. So hopefully, my first Udemy course will be done by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And other than that, I'm also working on a tutorial which I mentioned in my last short also. That tutorial also should be done by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So this week I'll upload that tutorial also. And yeah, I think I'm enjoying this. Hopefully these videos will help whoever is trying to procrastinate their tasks, and they will also start doing something with me.